Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Caitlin and today I am unboxing my winter Fab Fit Fun box. This is only the second box I've ever gotten and I really did like the first one. So if you're interested in the subscription service, seeing the kinds of things that you got, or even if you do get the box and you just want to see what I got in the box, go ahead and keep watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please click that subscribe button. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday and it's totally free to subscribe. Would love to have you guys along for the makeup, lifestyle, etc. content I do on my channel. I always love talking with you guys in the comments, and yeah, just would love to have you guys come back to the channel. So click that subscribe button and we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so we've got $15 off your first box. If you're not subscribed to the box and you're interested in it, go ahead and use this code. I think I told you guys this last time I unboxed one of these. I will leave that box linked up here in the cards if you're interested in seeing that one, but I did end up buying the 1-year subscription of this. I don't know if I'll get it again after that. I'm kind of waiting to see since I've only done one box, my experience. Then I'll decide if I renew, but the reason I paid for a whole year up front is because you got to choose all of your items in the box, not just a few if you did that, and I wanted to choose my items. So you get a magazine every time, and it's got different workout things, self-care, recipes, so that's in there. We've also got some little Fab Fit Fun stickers. Love stickers. Honestly, I'll probably take them to school because my students love stickers. This box is a lot smaller than the fall box. I'll say that for sure up front. Same price, so I'm guessing that just means they are items that are smaller but worth the same amount. All right, so we've got first thing here. Oh, HelloFresh meals. Here's your coupon code if you would like it. I love HelloFresh. Wes and I get it when it's on sale. So we got that. We've got Nourish. What is Nourish by Nature Made? Some sort of vitamin self-care thing. And then we've got the gift of streaming, HBO Max. Ooh, free 14-day trial of HBO Max. So they give you some coupons and things in there. First thing we have here that I don't think I picked, and this happened last box too. There was one like small thing that I didn't pick, was just in there. I'm guessing this is that because I don't remember picking it, but honestly I picked these probably a month ago, so I don't remember a lot of what I picked anyway. It's a surprise. But I have this liquid IV and it is just 3 samples in here that you put into water, and it's supposed to give you a lot of hydration and immune support. Oh boy, especially during concert season coming up for me being a teacher, a choir teacher. Hydration and immune support is huge for me because I tend to run myself ragged. So I will definitely be testing these out. Next up we have from Briogeo the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I do remember picking this one because I wanted something that was going to be a bit clarifying for my scalp in between, you know, dry shampoo, hairspray, all the products, just something to really get any buildup of the scalp out and make my hair super clean on my wash days. So this is supposed to be for getting into your roots and your scalp and really clarifying any product that might be left after your shampoo. So definitely looking forward to trying that. Next up from Dr. Brandt, a brand I really like, the Collagen Serum. Now the Dr. Brandt product I have is their microdermabrasion facial treatment. Oh, I love that one so much. You can find it on Ulta, and I got it when it was on sale, so it was not so outrageous price. But this is their collagen serum. Use AM and PM. I just figured I'd try this because I like the other thing and want to try more from the brand, and this is one of the choices. So collagen usually helps if you're not aware with your skin, giving it a more plump appearance, like where you have fine lines and things, just kind of like filling out some of the faces that have become a little droopy over time. So that's hopefully what this will help address. Not that mine's too bad, but you know, I am trying to be proactive in that way. Next up, we have another skincare item from Sunday Riley. Now, I've never tried this brand, but I've wanted to for a long time. This is the A+ High-Dose Retinoid Serum, and this is also skincare. And let's see, what are the claims off with this one? Helps to improve the appearance of aging or damaged skin, soothe the skin for the appearance of a calmer, even-toned complexion. My skin, you guys know if you watch my videos where I start with no makeup, it is so like splotchy and red and textured that I'm really hoping this can make it more of an even-toned complexion. Now, retinoids, you know, this does say high dose. This recommends that you start 2 nights a week and then take 2 nights off. And then gradually work your way up to every other night and then every night, because it is a strong product. But you can apply this at night after a hydrating oil. Or after an AHA treatment serum in the mornings or on alternate nights, and it sweeps away dead skin cells. I know I have a lot of issues with that, so hopefully this will help. Ooh, I like that bottle, that component. That looks really nice. I like that dark blue. So I'm excited to try that. I mean, this one product I know is probably the price of the entire box. So I'm definitely getting my money's worth with some of the skincare products like this and the Dr. Brandt one. Oh, I missed this little coupon earlier. Sips by. Oh, it's tea. Cool. I have been getting David's tea because Simply Nailogical has been influencing me, but I would try this one too, possibly. So I may check that particular one out to get 50% off just to test it out. Let me know. Are you guys coffee drinkers? Are you tea drinkers? Both? Let me know in the comments down below. I like both personally. So the next item is from KVD Vegan Beauty. I think that's their name now. They keep changing it. This one actually does say Kat Von D still on it. So this is their old packaging. But I wanted to try this product from them. I haven't tried a lot from the brand. This is their Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. Here it is. And it's a full size. I have lots of mascaras, but again, this is one of those things where just out of the options and the choices, this is the one I picked. It is huge, you guys. Like, this component and everything is very large. Ooh, I love that kind of wand. I say it's big because let me show you like the NYX on the Rise one that I've been using. Next to it, it's just like, it's the same length, but like, this is just so thick in comparison. I don't know, it just seems very, very large, but I guess it is called Go Big or Go Home, so that makes sense in a way. Another coupon. Oh, this one's Bright Sellers. Okay, here's a little Bright Sellers coupon. Scratch off to reveal your exclusive gift card. I wonder if it's just for like new members only though, because I already get Bright Sellers, so I'll have to check that out. It's the only thing about these coupons. If you already subscribe, they don't reward returning people in any way, shape, or form, like HelloFresh, Bright Sellers, things like that. They give coupons for new members only. Once you sign up, they don't care about you, which I hate. I feel like they should every once in a while give coupons to the people that stick around and stay. To me, that makes sense. Otherwise, that is when I tend to unsubscribe. I don't know about you guys. All right, I've got 2 more items in here. The first one is a set of candles from Candier, I think is the brand, Candier Candle. And it is, like I said, it's a trio. One is called How About Missile Nope. One is Let It Flow, Pinot, as in wine, I assume. And then I'm Not Coming Unless There's Wine. I mean, you guys, if you know me, you know I had to have this one. I am a lover of wines. So I got this trio. Let's open up and see what they look like. I think they're just cute little tiny candles. But I really liked the concept of just like the names and the theming and everything of these. Ooh, they're in there good. Oh my gosh. One of those is potent. Woo, okay. And I can't tell which one because they're all kind of mixing together. Here we go. How About Missile Nope? Okay, that one's good. I like that one. What's it say? Christmas feels with notes of warm chocolate, cool peppermint, and vanilla. Yeah, I definitely smell the chocolate. Maybe the peppermint a little bit. It's giving me Thin Mints, you know, if you know the Girl Scout cookies. Next one is Let It Flow Pinot. And this one has warm cinnamon mix with fresh fruit and berries. Woody base notes create perfectly upscale holiday vibes. Okay, that one's okay. It's alright. I think I like the first one better so far. I mean, they're both fine though. And the reason I'm giving you descriptions, guys, is because even if you don't get these boxes, you can go on Fab Fit Fun's site and just buy items and get like a custom made box, or even if you don't subscribe, you can get items in the box. So if you're interested in any of the stuff you see, check out their site, or they have an app as well. You might be able to get some of this. And then the last one is I'm Not Coming Unless There's Wine. This is the one that was potent. Whew, it like choked me when I opened the box. You guys saw. It's a little bit better now that it's out. Maybe it's just a combo of all three was too much. This one has vivid notes of woody, snow-covered fir trees. That's very specific. Blend with cedarwood, crisp eucalyptus, sweet patchouli, and tonka bean. Don't know what all that is, but this smells good. I like the candles, you guys. All right, and then last but not least, I was running low on my sampler school, so I got a tea sampler. It's the winter box, right? We're giving cozy feels, right? I mean, the skincare, I'm sure that's just because it's like, you know, winter is when it, like, at least in Ohio where I live, wreaks havoc on your skin and makes it dry and everything. But the other stuff, like, at least the candles and the tea, I feel like are winter vibes. Not the mascara so much, but they had other options that were a bit more wintry feels. These are just what I chose. This is from Vadam India, and it is the Recovery Sampler. So here's the box, and they've got brewing instructions on the back. This has chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai tea, turmeric ginger herbal tea, vanilla spiced chai tea, and turmeric spiced herbal tea. That's in there twice. Oh no, turmeric ginger herbal tea versus turmeric spiced herbal tea. So they're all different colors. And there's just a slew of them. How many are in here? 25 tea bags. That'll last me a while. That should get me through to Christmas break, right? Cool. So yeah, and if you're interested in that tea, you can go to their site, www.vahdamteas.com, and you can use the code RECOVER20 for 20% off your order. You have to do that by June 30th of 2023, so I'd say you've got some time, people. But that's it. That's my whole entire box. So let me know, what did you think of the box? Did you think it was worth it? I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'm gonna look in my first video how much I spent for these boxes, and I'll put a little blurb down here. Let me know, do you think it was worth it? Like I said, from memory, I believe the box paid for itself just with the skincare products, let alone all the other stuff. So I'm pretty happy with it, and we'll see what the spring box holds in a couple months. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you back on the next one, and I'll see you again then. Bye.